welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again with another banging video, as you all can see. So if you're new here, well, welcome. Do want to subscribe if you have not, so that I can enjoy beautiful videos like this. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. Mwah! So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this amazing and beautiful hairstyle just for you guys. So if this would interest you, then you should keep on watching this video. Hi my loves, welcome back, and let's get right into today's video. All right, so I'm trying to get the center party of my hair. Is it center party? No, I'm trying to get the center part of my hair, right? Because we're making an updo and it has to really be in the center so it can look all fine and classy. So if you're not sure of how to get the center of your head, just take that party comb and trace from your nose to your forehead and down to your hair. That is going to save you a whole lot, and you're going to get the center of your head. So grab your gel because we're going to be needing it in today's video. I made sure to section my hair into smaller bits so that the gel can actually slick down my hair very, very well. I mean, that's what we're looking for, right? It has to be slick. I mean, let's spell it slick. All right, so just for the record, I made sure to moisturize my hair. I added water. It was really important for me to do that so that my hair can really be soft, because as you can see, I think I left it for a very long time, and it was matted again. Yeah, so I had to put water and had a little bit of leave-in conditioner so that I wouldn't struggle too much to pat the hair. All right, so you might as well just do that when you're trying yours. This is what I'll be doing for now. Try and section my hair and keep applying the gel till we are at the end of everything. I mean, by the end of the slick updo. Just follow along, guys.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
Okay. So it's no news now. You guys already know how I am big on laying my edges. So if you're seeing me pulling out, strands of my hair here, just know that I'm keeping it for my edges, because if I say, let me do it later, it's going to spoil the already laid down hair that we're looking for. Okay, so this is just me taking it out, and use it for the purpose later on. So we're almost done packing our hair as an updo. Are you guys ready to see the back of this hair? Are you ready to see how sleek it is? Come on, just look at it. Oh my god, damn, this hair is so sleek. I mean, that's how if you want to use gel on your head, use it with your full chest. This is how sleek it should be. If you have a natural hair and someone is telling you that you can't do a gel on your hair because it's natural hair stuff, show them this video. Yes, show them, tell them that no, you can do this. Just kidding, guys, but make sure that your gel is really sleek. Make sure you do it so well, and you're going to really love the outcome. So this is me just finishing it up. I'm going to weave this upper part of my hair now.
And will you get bored of killing me? 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 And will you get bored of killing me?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over.
So here's the extension I'm going to be adding to my hair, and it comes in 3 bundles in the pack, and it's actually really made sense. All right, so I think I'm just going to use one. So I'm going to take that out and tie the first end of the beginning. Just tie it, and then try and measure maybe 1 inch or 2 inches. And if you have a tape rule, fine, but if you don't, you can just use your discretion to get the inches. And after you get your 1 inches or 2, tie it again and do that all the way to the end of the extension. You're going to see how I made it in this video, so just watch and understand better, because I know my explanation might not be so accurate. All right, so okay, watch, guys.
Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play.
Once that is done, here is where the work lies, guys. So I am going to lay that beginning of the extension on my hair, and I'm going to use a thread to secure it. I wish bobby pins could just really work for this hairstyle, I tried it out, but eventually I felt like I had weaved the bun a little too tight, so the bobby pins could not, go through my hair. So that is why I had to opt for, sewing and threading. So you just see how I am just placing each knot that I tied on that extension on my hair, and I am securing it with this needle and thread. It was needed so that it won't unravel. All right, so that is the step we're going to be doing till we get to the end of the extension. And make sure you're patient, guys, while doing this, because patience is virtue when making hair. I have learned that in a hard way. All right, guys, so keep on watching.
And wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I've got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna.
Did you guys notice that power outage? I know if you're from Nigeria or you've been to Nigeria before, you understand what exactly went wrong at that point. So let's see the finished look. Damn! What can I say? What can I say? First of all, I'm proud of myself because I pulled this off. Yeah, at the point I wanted to give up on this hairstyle, no cap. I wanted to give up because I felt like it's not giving me what I want and I was not just feeling the vibe. But eventually I kept going on, I kept doing it, adjusting it, making sure it sits well on my head. And come on, look at, no, this is amazing. I know it's not the regular kind of updo we see around, but I feel like it's a way to spice things up. And I saw like an inspiration of it on YouTube, and I said, okay, let me challenge myself and try this hair out and see how it's going to look on my head. And I think I totally love it. I don't even think, I love it. I really love it. And you guys, check out those edges. Ooh, oh my god, what else can I say? The edges are giving. The hair is so sleek. What I have as an extension of my hair is also sitting pretty. Everything looking it's looking what? Sweet and nice. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Would you risk and try it out? I don't know if I'll be trying out this hairstyle again, but it was definitely worth the time and energy. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.